Hello and welcome to the demo for my contribution to the Code Guys 2025 hackathon, which is the Need to Know for Confluence app that takes care of removing stale access for users that haven't accessed this content for a long time, which enforces a need to know principle. And it will be a speed run because we only have 5 minutes for this video, so maybe you don't understand everything, but please get in touch if you like to learn more. For now, we switch to our demo space, which is the AWR engineering space, where Atlassian Williams Racing are collaborating on engineering tasks. One thing to say, the app is built on Atlassian Forge, runs on Atlassian Forge, should get the badge for that. And since the topic of governance and compliance is for every business, it's submitted in the Apps for Business track. Now here we have confidential projects. It's in the folder 2025 season projects. We have, for example, this aerodynamics package project, and all pages belonging to the project are children and descendants of this very page. So this is our need to know portal. And we will now look into a readily configured need to know portal. You probably won't understand everything right now, but we then will also create a new portal, and maybe that clears some things up. So looking down here, we see this is a need to know portal macro. It's active. It's healthy, showing all green check marks. It has administrators, which is me and Jamie, and also there's 90 days of inactivity configured. After 90 days of inactivity, users will be removed automatically. And those are the users that are collaborating here. Carlos and Liam still have access left, and Megan, Priya, and Yuki have already been removed because they haven't been active in the last 90 days on any of the descendant pages or whiteboards or whatever. And then portal administrators can also get insights into portal usage by getting, for the last 14 days, the number of views, unique viewers, and those numbers also for the last 12 months for longer running projects, maybe also to learn if it's time to archive a project. But now let's create our own need to know portal in this very page here, AWR Notes portal. We are editing the page, and what you can do is add the need to know for Confluence macro. And this macro initially is inactive, showing a guided setup, guiding you through all steps that are required to activate the portal. And the most important step is defining a permission baseline by restricting access to this page. And I will do that right now. I will add the AWR Arrow viewers group here, and I will also add Jamie as single user. They all can view. Don't notify, it's restricted. Save and refresh here. So this is the access baseline, and now it needs 2 portal administrators. And let's make that the first one is my account, and then let's make Carlos the second account. Now that we have 2 portal administrators, we can activate the portal. Doing that right now, and the portal is active. But it still hasn't got any child pages, and thus the portal does not make sense. Let's create a child page. And this child page will be managed by the portal. Child page, make that empty. And there are no, child page 2, there are no explicit restrictions defined on this very child page. So looking here, we see it's restricted by the parent, but there are no restrictions here, and that will change in a moment, because now we go to the portal page, and normally the portal page or the app runs background jobs that do what we are speeding up right now. There's a speed up button. It's this manual portal synchronization button. Click update now, and now the portal is copying the restrictions from the portal page to all direct children. And our only direct child is child page 2. This takes a moment. It's also restricted to a certain number of users, a maximum of 100, to not use groups with 100,000 users, for example. And now looking at the child page and the restrictions, we see, oh, everybody's here. It's Jamie and the users from the group I specified with the respective permission level. And this is a trick the app does. So it will manage these restrictions of the direct child pages, and over time, when accounts get inactive, they will be removed here. So they won't be able to access this page and descendant pages anymore, and you don't have to do it manually. And now let's do something crazy. Go back to the portal, and instead of 90 days, specify something like 1 minute. Okay, but before doing that, we quickly switch over to Jamie. Let's see, where's Jamie? Jamie is here. Refresh. Does Jamie still have access? Notes portal, child page 2. Okay, Jamie has access. Perfect. Let's make that a minute. And we will be a minute over time in this video, but let's see that in action. So because now the minute is running and Jamie is not accessing the portal anymore. Let's click refresh here. Due for hard removal. Let's update. Because with a minute of removal time, Jamie will basically be removed instantly. Let's reset that state here. Perfect. So we now see color-coded. Jamie Chan has less than a day time. It's actually a minute. And if we keep hitting refresh, we see the color slowly going into a yellow reddish area. And after a minute, Jamie will be removed. Normally, this will be a period of multiple days, like 60 days or 90 days is usual for physical key cards when access is removed. And now it's due for hourly removal. We speed that up by clicking the update button because we don't want to wait an hour. And now, looking here at this list, Jamie has been removed. We could add the account back, but we don't want to do that. We switch over here, refresh as Jamie, and see content is restricted. And this is a need to know principle enforced by the new need to know for Confluence app. Thank you.